The prophet Micah foretold that from Bethlehem, considered too little to be among the clans of Judah, would come to the promised one, who would shepherd his flock in the strength and name of God. This prophecy was fulfilled when God chose Joseph to be part of his plan of salvation. For Joseph was of the house of David, who came from Bethlehem. And Joseph, together with Mary, whose nativity we celebrate today, brought into the world the promised one. God's preference for the small to confound the great is clear. He chose the simple shepherd boy, David, from tiny Bethlehem to be the greatest kings of Israel, from whom the Messiah would come. Likewise, he chose Joseph, a humble carpenter, and Mary, an unassuming girl, to provide the environment of a typical human family for his son to be born into. In every situation and in mysterious ways, God works his plan of salvation through us too. He works for our good in everything and through everyone according to the purpose he has called us to be perfected into the image of his Son, Jesus.